Hi, I'm Tommy with BuyTwoWayRadios.com, and this is Radio 101. Many business and high-end consumer two-way radios include a feature called Busy Channel Lockout. This feature is often referred to as BCL or BCLO. But what is Busy Channel Lockout, and how does it work? And when, if ever, would you use it? Busy Channel Lockout prevents your radio from transmitting when someone else is already using the channel. This helps avoid doubling, which is when two people talk at the same time and nobody gets heard. When Busy Channel Lockout is enabled, your radio listens for activity on the channel before allowing you to transmit. If the radio detects a signal, such as a carrier or a matching CTCSS tone or DCS code, it will block your transmission. Instead, the radio may beep, flash an indicator, or simply refuse to transmit until the channel is clear, depending on the model. To activate Busy Channel Lockout, go into the menu of the radio, or in the programming software if applicable, and look for the BCL or BCLO option. Some radios let you choose whether the lockout is based on any signal on the channel or only on signals with the correct tone or code. Once Busy Channel Lockout is turned on, simply press the push to talk button as usual. If the channel is clear, the radio will transmit normally. If it's busy, the radio will stop you from transmitting until the other user is finished. This helps keep communications clean and make sure your message gets through when the channel is free. Busy Channel Lockout is especially helpful on shared frequencies, repeaters, or environments where multiple teams are operating at the same time. If you're running into a lot of interference or accidental doubles, enabling BCL can make a big difference. If you have any questions or want to know more about two-way radios, please give us a call, email us, or hit us up in our live chat at BuyTwoWayRadios.com. I'm Tommy with BuyTwoWayRadios.com, and this is Radio 101. Class dismissed.